Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about remove and reinsert SIM card for fixed call drops part 2. Reinsert the SIM card in the port and check if that stabilizes cellular calls. If that stabilizes cellular calls on your device, for dual SIM devices, try inserting the SIM card. Try inserting the SIM card into a different port and check if that improves the call quality, and check it that improves the call quality. SIM cards have lifespans cellular signals strength and reception, may drop on older SIM cards, especially if they no longer receive carrier settings update. If your SIM card is about 5 to 10 years old, you should probably get a new one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.